Indians are extremely passionate about their legends. Failure was not an option. There was either absolute glory or lifelong shame. All in full view of 1.3 billion people.
This was my head. This was the pressure of 1.3 billion Indians in my mind.
The Honda City is a legend in India.
In 1998, the first generation of Honda City was introduced. There were other sedans, yes, but this was the most flamboyant and stylish way to command respect. Every generation of the Honda City was a game changer in engine transmission technology, ensuring high performance with higher fuel economy, reduced emissions and driving pleasure.
With every generation, the city showed the way to what future sedans in India should be. And the city gave India pride in its heart and a reason to hold the head up higher. It set the legacy of Honda in India.
With my Honda City, I feel that I have arrived.
After my promotion, my wife said, it's time we got a new Honda City.
I wanted to bring my newborn daughter home in the best car possible.
Seeing my son drive Honda City, now I feel proud.
Honda equals city in India. City is India's best sedan.
To respond to this pressure, this expectation became our ambition. This living up to the legacy.
Ambitious sedan or ambitious customer.
We spent time understanding the city's legacy in India, the value of overwhelming space and the smartness of styling. But the new Indian customer needed something more, and the new India was not in Delhi or Mumbai. It was in Lucknow, Cochin, Trivandrum, Surat, the emerging economies. That's where the new demand was. That's where the new ambitious customer was. And we went there and saw the roads there. We saw the parking spilling onto the road, the zipping two-wheel traffic, the rickshaws sharing space with trucks. In this chaotic traffic, our new city should be able to stand out, should have a bold presence, should have a comfortable and secure space. In one word, it should be strong.
Indians recognize a car as a status symbol. Strong, dignified appearance is essential.
Intelligence and design is a basic value of the city. It has refined smart style and space in every successive generation.
The psyche of the ambitious Indian customer is to stand out. And that's why the design has to have presence.
The design expands the overall length and width. This gives a magnificent appearance and a massive stance.
What we have created is an interior space that makes you feel more space than what is there actually. The new reformed powertrain will give a high fuel efficiency and give an enjoy the drive feel to the car.
Innovation at Honda is about doing and creating things that are yet to be. There are no textbooks to guide you, no footprints to follow. All we have leading us
a grand ambition and power of dreams.